Hey guys, we got the new Crayola Digital Light Designer. It's so cool. Check this out. I'm going to turn this on. Watch. It doesn't, you see? It does this automatically. So take a look. So, well, cool. It comes with stars, by the way, if you can paint. This is Crayola. So you can do all kinds of stuff. You can tap on redraw. You can say your line width and watch. You see here the Crayola Digital Light Designer, and it does this. See, it does a 6 view. Now, if you want to see it, take a look. You can do this. Now, you click on this thing, and then we're gonna make it a sunshine. So let's make a sunshine. Oh, this is sadly not any bit. It's so cool. Say that. So great. Oh, I guess so. Well, that was great. So cool. You can do this. If you want to, you can do this. Well, it has all kinds of games, by the way. So let's tap on games. Right here you can do Movie Maker, or you can do this. Or you can do Rainbow. Let's do Rainbow. I want to create swirlies. See here. Now watch. See here. It's doing lights. So cool. Now watch. I'm trying to. Oh, hold on a sec. So, see here, many people have noticed that. It's so cool. You can do this. Well, it's so cool. Watch. You see here, you can always see it off. Oh. Nope, that's about it. Make sure you subscribe. I have been shared to think how it's like. Okay, bye. Make sure you subscribe.